Hello boys, I hope you all are doing fine. Today I am here to teach you how to make a Diwali card. As you know, Diwali is just round the corner and card is something we always express our feelings with. And if you give a handmade card to your loved and near and dear ones, I am sure they will really like it and appreciate your gesture. So let's get going, and first I will tell you what all things do we require to make a Diwali card. We are not using any artificial things, we are just using all handmade papers to make the Diwali card. So first you require this paper, which is a handmade sheet. On this would be the base for our card. Then you require few other handmade papers, they all are handmade sheets. They are glitter sheets also, but then as I said, if you want to use them, you can use them, but I would prefer using handmade sheets. We require a pair of scissors, few sketch pens or glitter pens, whatever you want to use, up to you, a glue stick. We require a pencil, an eraser, a sharpener and a scale. That's what we require. This is our basic requirement to make a card. Okay boys, so first of all let me tell you about the base of the card. This paper which I have taken is 30 centimeter long and 20 centimeter wide. You can take a smaller card as well, that's up to you. I took a bigger one so that it's easier for you to understand. So this is the size of my card. Now I will take any one sheet of my choice. It's up to you. Say for example, I like this one, so I'll take this one first. Now I need a strip of this paper to make a candle for my card. So let me just take a strip of say 20 centimeter by 3 centimeter. Yeah, so I have taken a sheet of a strip of 20 centimeter by 3 centimeter, and now I will cut it. So this is my first candle, what I'll make out of this paper. Then you cut it very gently so that it's absolutely straight, because if they'll have rough edges, it will not look good on your card. Very carefully. I am sure you all can do this job very well, better than me, I believe. So this is my first strip of 20 centimeter by 3 centimeter. I need a second strip. This time maybe I'll take this paper. Now I would make a strip of 18 centimeter by 3 centimeter. That is 3 centimeter wide and 18 centimeter long. So here it's 18. Okay. And here we go. So this also we will cut it, and again very neatly, as I said earlier. So we have a second strip also ready. Okay, and now the last third strip which I require, I would take again a bright color. You can take glitter sheet, you can take any other color. Now the length would be 13 centimeter by 3 centimeter. That is 3 centimeter long and 3 centimeter wide and 13 centimeter long. Here we go. Yeah, it's a little dark paper, so we can hardly see the markings, but I think I'm gonna manage this. Okay, now I will again cut it very gently. Okay, so this is my third candle strip also ready. So I have my 3 strips ready for my card. Okay, so since our candle strips are ready, now we have to make the flame for the candle. So how do we make the flame? Take a brown colored paper and let us just fold it, as we need 3 flames for 3 candles. I will fold it accordingly so that I can get 3 flames at one point of time. So this I have folded. You just have to make a leaf shape of a leaf, just like this. You can do it freehand also. Yeah, so very easy. You can make a shape like this, and now when you will cut, you will get 3 flames all together at one given point of time. So this, be very careful with the scissors. In case you're not very proficient using the scissors, do make some elderly person sit next to you. And here we go. So see, I have got 3 flames, brown colored flames ready with me. Now the second step is, now I want red colored flame inside this. Now I take a red color sheet. Again I fold it thrice, and then again I make a leaf, but this time a little smaller than the brown one, because it will have to fit inside the brown leaf. Okay, now again I cut it. So it's not very difficult, but still with scissors you need to be a little more careful. So here I go, and I have 3 red colored flames, and now I want to also put a yellow colored another flame inside that, so that it gives a very colorful look. I do the same procedure with the yellow strip. Now, as you know, I have to make a little smaller than the red one, so I make this to be placed inside the red flame. Again the same step, and here we go. So this also is ready, and this we will use to make the flame. So we're ready with the flames. But boys, as you know, we have 3 different sizes of the candle strips. That means the flame should also be of 3 different sizes. That is biggest, smaller and smallest. I have just trimmed them a little. The same way you can do it with the red flame, 3 different sizes, and the same goes to the third flame, which is yellow colored. So the flame is ready, the candle strips are ready. Let's now place them. So how do we place them? We take this base. First we will take the longest candle strip and we place it here. We use the glue stick to stick it very gently. It will not take much time. It's a handmade paper, but I think glue stick will work fine with it. So place it at this corner. Then we take the second strip, that is middle sized, and now we also stick this. Be very careful when you apply the glue stick. See that the distance between the candle strips should be even and equal. And now the third one. If you feel you can manage it without a newspaper, at the bottom, so it's okay. Otherwise, must place a newspaper so that you don't make your table or tablecloth dirty. So now I place the flame. So I take this flame, the biggest one, and the red one also the biggest, and the yellow also. This is how I have to place the flame. So I'll use a glue stick here on the red one first, and I stick it here. Then I take the yellow one and I place this here. See, our flame is ready. And now I stick this on the paper to finish my first candle. The same procedure you have to follow for the other two flames also. And here I have the card ready for you. This is how I have placed the 3 candles, their flames. And then what I did was, I just took a sketch pen and I wrote Happy Diwali here. And I've cut very small diyas with the flames to decorate the card. Now, as you know, it's all about your own creativity. Whatever you feel is good for your card, do that. Whatever color combination you want to use, the styles you want to use, or if you don't want to use the glitter paper, you can only use the handmade paper, sketch pens, make whatever you want to on the card. It's absolutely your creativity. So this is mine. I'm sure yours would be better than me. So do try that, and you can send us the photographs also of your cards. And if you'll send a tutorial, that will be very good, so that we can upload it on our channel also. I'll hurriedly show you one more design which is very simple. Once again, what I did was, I took this same paper, this orange one, and I have cut a semicircle out of this. A semicircle which would serve as a diya base for my card. So I'll take suppose this is my semicircle, then I take this glitter paper to make a lining on my diya like this, and I have cut again the same way the flame. This time I have cut only 2 flames. You can make 3, you can make 1, it's all up to you. And then I'll take the base. I have made the base ready for you. Just see, this time I'm taking it in a landscape. So this is my base ready for this diya. I'll place this like this and the flame like this, and my second card would be ready. So one can be for my grandfather and the other can be for my grandmother maybe. Thank you so much, boys. I wish you a very, very happy Diwali, and I hope you have a safe Diwali and you use only handmade things so that it can be environmental friendly too. Take care. Bye bye.